Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check vitamin D report. Start by locating your lab report and confirm the correct patient name and test date. Then find the 25-OD value and note the units, ng/ml or nmol/L. Compare the number to the reference ranges listed on the report and record the result in a notebook or app for tracking changes over time. When reading the numbers, focus on the 25-OD value and its unit, ng/ml or nmol/L, so you know what to compare. If units differ from your usual standard, convert and write both values down for clarity. Look at the lab's reference range and categorize the result as deficient, insufficient, sufficient, or high before considering next steps or discussing with your clinician. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control, smart mapping, and surprisingly thorough edge cleaning free up time for walks and sunlight. It fits naturally into a busy health routine and saves minutes every day. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If your result is low, discuss treatment options with your clinician, including supplement dosing, monitoring plans, and safe sun exposure. If your level is high, stop supplements and seek medical advice to evaluate for toxicity and causes. For borderline or changing results, consider retesting in a few months while keeping a log of supplements, diet, and sun exposure to inform better clinical decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.